Hi, my name is Alvin Woo, and I'm an international Grandmaster from Singapore. I'm here today to introduce Xiangqi to you, also known as Chinese chess. Today I'm going to explain a chess opening where Red sacrifices his horse to gain position and wins in as fast as 13 moves. Red cannon 2 to 5, Black cannon 8 to 5. This opening is called the mirror cannon opening, in Chinese also known as Sun Zuo Pao. This is an opening that dates back to the Ming Dynasty, with the main characteristic of black as a solid formation. For most beginners, most would move cannon 5 plus 4. This is actually a bad move for red because the development of red's chariot will be significantly slower than black's. Let me explain what I mean. Red, knight 2 plus 3. Horse 8 plus 7, cannon 5 minus 1, chariot 9 to 8. In this position, even though red is up a center pawn, it is in a position where its development of its chariot would be slower than black's. For example, if red moves cannon 8 to 5, black can move chariot 8 plus 6 to attack red's horse on the third file. Relating this to everyday life, small mistakes like these might not seem detrimental at this moment, but it could affect success later on. The horizontal chariot. Besides the horizontal chariot, there's also the vertical chariot as well as the deferred chariot. More will be explained in future videos. Chariot 1 to 6. By moving the chariot to the 6th file, red hopes to launch an attack on black's right flank. However, by moving red's chariot to the 4th file, this is also movable. However, there are significant differences in terms of future developments. This is obviously better because red can attack black's cannon, black's pawn, and move his chariot here to attack black's knight. Chariot 8 plus 6. This move is a very old move. It seems like a good move because it attacks the red horse straight away. However, past games played by top exponents have showed that this move is not as effective as advisor 6 plus 5 or chariot 8 plus 4. The reason is because of the game I'm showing you today. Chariot 6 plus 7, knight 2 plus 1, chariot 9 plus 1. This move is used for deception, and it is to induce black to destroy red's horse. This would of course lead to a series of attacks from red. Chess is like an art. It helps to develop creativity. By moving this move, red would have to calculate about 4 to 5 variations with around 6 to 10 steps ahead. Let's look at a variation if black destroys red horse. This is the best move that would open up red's game. Let's take a look at a number of variations for black. Black has got cannon 5 minus 1, knight 7 minus 5, knight 7 minus 8, chariot 8 minus 4. Let's take a look at the more obvious variations. Cannon 5 minus 1, we can move chariot 9 to 6 to destroy black's advisor straight away. So this option is obviously not viable. Knight 7 minus 5, similarly chariot 9 to 6, and red will destroy black's advisor and threaten the checkmate. Knight 7 minus 8, cannon 5 plus 4, and black has got a few variations. Advisor 4 plus 5, advisor 6 plus 5, or cannon 5 to 3, or whatever he wants it to be for his cannon 5 plus 7, cannon 5 to 7. Red has got a double cannon checkmate. Advisor 4 plus 5. Threatening checkmate. Here, and red is unstoppable. So black's only move is advisor 6 plus 5. Chariot 9 to 6, general 5 plus 6, general 5 to 6, front chariot plus 1. Over here, black has got a few scenarios, a few variations to choose from. First is to take his chariot, next is to move his general up by a step. Let's take a look at the first variation. Advisor 5 minus 4, chariot 6 to 4, cannon 5 to 6, chariot takes cannon, general 6 to 5, and double cannon checkmate. So this option is definitely not viable. Let's take a look at the next variation. General 6 plus 1. Red moves front chariot minus 1, threatening a checkmate. If you move this, red can take horse and still threaten the checkmate. So this move is not viable. Cannon 5 to 3, chariot 6 to 4, cannon 3 to 6, cannon 8 to 5, general 6 minus 1, chariot 6 to 5, cannon 2 minus 7, and chariot 4 plus 7, cannon 2 to 6, back cannon to 4, cannon 7 6, and double cannon check. So this variation is also not acceptable. Next variation, chariot 8 minus 4, red will move chariot 6 to 3, chariot 1 to 2, cannon 2 to 7, cannon 8 to 3, sorry. At this position, say black only can move his elephant, because if he does cannon 2 minus 2, we can move cannon 5 to 4. This is a checkmate. Advisor 4 plus 5, advisor 6 plus 5, chariot 3 plus 1, advisor 4 plus 5, cannon 3 plus 2, check. Cannon 5 plus 4. Similarly, black has a few variations. Advisor 6 plus 5 or advisor 4 plus 5. With advisor 4 plus 5, cannon 3 to 1. Red moves chariot 9 to 2. Of course, if black takes chariot, red threatens a checkmate because of the single cannon. Chariot 8 to 6, chariot 3 to 2, chariot 2 plus 4, cannon 1 plus 2, cannon 6 plus 3. If black's cannon, front chariot plus 1, threatening checkmate, and this is the checkmate. Front chariot plus 1, chariot 6 minus 3, cannon 1 to 4, and red wins. Let's say you move chariot 2 to 5, or whatever you move, next move, red will move. We retreat his chariot, retreat his cannon, red will checkmate. So at this point, move c5 plus 4, black can only move advisor 4 plus 5. Chariot 1, chariot knight to 6. So black has two variations. He has to disturb Vid's cannon. 1, 3 plus 1. Chariot 6 plus 7. Chariot 2 plus 3. Cannon 3 to 1. Over here, black has got two variations. Take this cannon or take this cannon. So let's talk about the simpler move first. Chariot to 9. Chariot 6 to 5. General 5 to 4. If advisor 6 plus 5. Chariot 3 plus 1 checkmate. Chariot 5 to 6 checkmate. What about the next variation? Chariot 2 to 5. Cannon 1 plus 2. Chariot 8 minus 2. Chariot 3 to 5 checkmate. Because if you take it, it's a cannon. So this option is not viable as well. In hindsight, black should not destroy red's horse. He should instead move advisor 6 plus 5 or chariot 8 to 7 to exert pressure on red's horse. These would be much better moves for black, and in doing so avoid the trap that red has set up for. In life, when forced with temptation, one must be careful. This principle can be equally applied to chess. One must be alert when an opponent offers a bait. Careful calculation and analysis is necessary to give us the best decision both in chess and in life. Do continue to check our website for more videos. Thank you.